Okay, now that we showed the spray applications, I mentioned earlier that we have a dosing station. This is what we call our wall-mounted dispense unit. It's very similar, as you noticed, to the flex unit that we showed earlier. Everything again is cased in here. Operates a little bit differently. There's no spray capability from this. This is purely for dispensing, for dosing. Really good for high solids, short pot-like materials. You don't have to dispense out a whole lot of material. You want to take a shot, you want to go over, hit your holiday or do your stripe coating, come back, take another shot. You don't have material curing up in your pail. So, super simple. I mentioned on the flex hose the magnets, the wall mount magnets. We have them on here. Again, 135 pounds each. So I'm going to put it up on this metal door and you'll see how securely this goes up. And that's not moving. I mean, it's easy to pop off. You get a little torque to it, but it doesn't really want to move. Again, forward and reverse switch up here. That's going to retract and drive the rods for pushing material or retrieving the cartridge. Same swivel connector here for the airline. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. And then for these applications, I'm going to go ahead and drive these rods back. That's forward and that's back. We put our cartridge in, let go, you'll see it'll self-seat, and then we're essentially ready to go. We're using a high flow static mixer on here. It has a cross-cut tip, which helps minimize a lot of dripping. So we're going to go ahead and get this set up in the retract position. Put the cartridge in, let it go. And you see it's self-seated here. Okay, and this is your dispense speed. This is the air inlet. This is the pressure coming in from the outside. This is preset at about 75 psi, and it's constant. This isn't, you wouldn't want this to go any higher than that, so we've preset that. And then this right here, this knob, this is not for this. This is for the push speed. So on the pneumatic guns, we had it up here for push speed. Here we've moved it down here to make it more user-friendly in this application. So we're going to back it all the way out, and we'll show you how the different speeds. On this machine, you can get out of a 750 by 750. Again, this is a short-filled one, not short-filled, but we use this for the other applications. But a full 750 by 750 is about 52 ounces of material. You can push this out, a Mare Island type material. You can get a full 52 ounces out, fully mixed in about 20 to 25 seconds. Okay, but you can also taper that back, the speed, based on how much you're dosing out. We'll go in the forward position. You can see the push rods are coming down. They're going to seat in the seals. They start pushing. That comes down through the mixer. And there you go. Fully mixed. We can slow that down a little bit if we like. Slow it down. So it's a nice even slow trickle. Or if we want to blow it out, get up to full speed. We'll crank that up. The nice thing about this is, again, you're using only what you need. For dosing applications where a guy only needs maybe 2 ounces, 3 ounces to hit a spot, this is ideal. On the magnets, you can move it around anywhere in a tank you want. Also comes with mountable brackets. If you want to permanently mount this to a cart or on a wall in a paint shop, that can be done as well. So that's the wall mount dispense unit. Very simple. This is, believe it or not, this is as great as the spray technology is. This is one of the biggest moving items we have. And that's it. I'm just going to go ahead and dispense the rest of this out. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Again, we'll be going to a live Q&A. I want to thank Glenn Aaron for hosting that, and I want to thank MegaRust for having us.